Hello, my name is Cognates, and I'm gonna explain how affixations and cognates work. First, we have the affixations. This is a word element of English grammar used to alter the meaning or form of a word and comes in the common form of prefixes and suffixes. The prefixes typically maintain the word class, such as noun, verb, or adjective, of the word that is being modified. There are three types of prefixes. First, we have the Latin prefixes where we can find extra and contra. An example of these prefixes is the word extravagant and the word contrary. We have the Greek prefixes where we can find the word hypo. An example of this word is hypocritical, and peri, where we can find the word perimeter. And the Saxon prefixes where we have to and also we have a. For to, we have today and tonight. For n, we have enable. And for a, we have afloat. We also have the suffixes. The suffixes are completely different from the prefixes because these oftentimes change the form of the word entirely. We have cases like the word exploration compared to explore or highlighter compared to highlight. In the suffixes we can find dom, that is used for dominant words such as freedom. We have the ed for past participle. We have double e for an action that refers to a person. We have ish when we want to find an adjective of likeness, and we have ness to form astra substantive from adjective. Lastly, we have the ing that is used to form adjective from verbs. We also have interfix and circumfixes. These are really strange, and in the case of the interfix, we only use it for cognate vowels such as speed or meter, and the circumfix are not actually used anymore because they are not productive for English. Lastly, we can talk about cognates. The cognates are words that come from the same origin as words in a different language. An example of this can be words like activismo in español and Portuguese, that in English is activist. Words like hospital in Spanish and hospital in English, and words like garden in English is garten in German. We also have the fake cognates, that are words that appear to be cognates but they actually don't mean the same. An example of these fake cognates can be words like in English actually, that if you speak Spanish you can think that means actualmente, but if you want to say actualmente in English, the word that you have to use is nowadays. Or things like bomber in English, that in Spanish you can think that means bombero, but actually if you want to say bombero in English you have to say firefighter. Thank you for listening to my presentation.